Tips for first-time flying on a plane. Flying on an airplane for the first time can be an exciting yet nerve-wracking experience. The thought of soaring through the skies to reach your destination is exhilarating, but it's natural to have questions and concerns. In this video, we'll provide you with essential tips and advice to make your first flight a smooth and enjoyable journey. Tip 1. Arrive early. One of the cardinal rules of air travel is to arrive at the airport early. Airlines recommend arriving at least 2 hours before your domestic flight and 3 hours before an international flight. This extra time allows for check-in, security checks, and any unexpected delays, ensuring you won't feel rushed or stressed. Tip 2. Carry essential documents before you head to the airport. Make sure you have all your essential travel documents. These typically include your passport or ID card, boarding pass, and any necessary visas. Keep these documents in a secure, easily accessible place like a travel wallet to avoid last-minute scrambling. Tip 3. Know your baggage allowance. Familiarize yourself with your airline's baggage policies. Most airlines have specific rules regarding the size, weight, and number of bags you can carry, both in the cabin and as checked luggage. Avoid excess baggage fees by adhering to these guidelines. Tip 4. Pack wisely. Packing smartly can make your journey more comfortable. Bring essential items in your carry-on, such as medications, a change of clothes, chargers, and travel-sized toiletries. Remember that some items, like liquids and sharp objects, may not be allowed in your carry-on bag, so check the TSA regulations beforehand. Tip 5. Dress comfortably. Comfort is key during a flight. Opt for loose-fitting clothing and layers, as cabin temperatures can vary. Don't forget to wear comfortable shoes, preferably ones you can easily slip on and off during security checks. Tip 6. Navigate security checks. Airport security checks are a standard part of air travel. Be prepared to remove your shoes, belt, and any metal objects. Place your electronics and liquids in separate bins for screening. Stay calm and follow the instructions of the security personnel. Tip 7. Stay hydrated and nourished. The air inside an aircraft can be quite dry, so it's essential to stay hydrated during your flight. Drink water regularly and avoid excessive caffeine or alcohol, which can contribute to dehydration. Additionally, pack some snacks or purchase items from the in-flight menu to keep your energy levels up. Tip 8. Seat selection matters when booking your flight. Consider your seat preferences. Window seats offer a view, while aisle seats provide easier access to the restroom. The middle seat can be less comfortable if you value personal space. Check with your airline for seat selection options. Tip 9. In-flight entertainment. Long flights can become monotonous, so it's a good idea to bring entertainment. Load up your tablet or smartphone with movies, music, e-books, or podcasts to keep yourself entertained during the journey. Many airlines also offer in-flight entertainment options. Tip 10. Relax and enjoy the experience. Finally, remember to relax and enjoy the experience. Flying is a remarkable feat of technology, and millions of people do it safely every day. Take in the views, marvel at the clouds, and savor the anticipation of your destination. In conclusion, flying for the first time can be a thrilling adventure with the right preparation and mindset. Follow these tips to make your maiden flight as smooth and enjoyable as possible. Bon voyage, and safe travels!